Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Los Angeles. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. To the captain turns off to fasten seatbelt sign. You can go ahead now and use cellular function of your small portable electronic devices. When we do arrive at the gate, be careful when you open up the overhead bins, as items may have moved. They could fall out and injure you or someone seated near you. If you're connecting to another flight this evening here in Los Angeles, please go into the terminal, check the TV monitors for your flight and gate number. We also are going to